What's up, guys? This is Grilling with Kevin. We're going to do something a little different today. We're going to do some hand-seared Brussels sprouts. Super easy and really good to do. So let me spin around here and show you how we get them prepped. Okay, so we're going to prep these Brussels sprouts. You can see they're not small, but they're pretty good size. All you need to do is simply cut the ends off. I always like to take the outer shell off, like that. And we're going to cut them in half. So it's a pretty easy way to prep these. You notice too, as I go to prep, some of the outer leaves come off, which is what you want anyway. So then you don't have to do it additionally. So pull them off like that. And then we're just going to cut them in half like that. Throw them into our bowl here. So let me get these recipes prepped and I'll come back and show you how we season them. Okay, let's get these seasoned up. It's pretty simple. You need a little bit of oil. I use this organic avocado oil I get at Costco. So we're just going to drizzle a little bit over them. I don't measure. I just kind of go by what it looks like. Use a little bit of our pepper. And of course, a little bit of the Redmond sea salt. Then the last thing I do is we add a little bit of our seasoning over our smoking bowl. I highly recommend Suckle Buster is a SPG, which would be a great alternative. So then we're just going to simply toss these up a little bit. If you need to, you can add a little bit more oil. A little more seasoning. Just like that. We're going to let these set for about 30 minutes. Let them kind of get some of that flavor sucked up in there. Notice I changed the bowl on you so that you can see it a little bit better. So pretty simple. That's all you need to do. Now what we're going to do is get the, we've got a little small iron skillet. I'll bring that out and let you see it, and we'll get that really hot, and then we'll get these on the grill. Thanks. Okay, so those Brussels sprouts have been sitting in there marinating inside the kitchen a little bit. So I'm using a little iron skillet. I've had this iron skillet. It's a Lodge. Had it forever. We're going to put it on the outdoor grill. The reason why I do that is so you don't get all the splatter and the smoke and whatever inside the house. You can still use your stovetop. You don't have to use a grill. You can use a charcoal grill. You can use a stainless steel pan inside the house. It's just what I prefer to do. So we need to get this pan really hot. So we're going to add a little bit more of this avocado oil. About like that. Just eyeball it. There's no measurement here. I got the grill. It's going really good and hot. So we're going to set this right here on this gas grill. We're going to let this heat up. We want this to get to the point that it's smoking. Once it's smoking, we're going to add the Brussels sprouts. I'll show you how we do that. Okay, so we got this skillet nice and hot. We're going to zoom in and let you see how hot it is. See how it's smoking like that? So what you want to do is just take these Brussels sprouts, dump them right in there. You hear them how they sizzle and pop? That's what you're looking for. So we're just going to leave them like that. Let them get nice and brown and crispy. Then I'm going to come back here in a minute. I'm going to put a piece of aluminum foil on there. That's going to help them cook a little bit faster. Put them in there like that and leave them alone. You can do the same thing in your kitchen, wherever you're cooking these. You got to get that pan good and hot. Now you can see why we like to do it outside, because of the smoke. Anyway, let's come back here a little bit and see how they look. Okay, so they've been on, about 12, 14 minutes. Again, guys, it depends on the fire, how hot your fire is. You're just going to have to watch them and monitor them. So as you can see, I put a little piece of foil over the top. You can do this on the inside as well. And what it did is it actually helped the Brussels sprouts cook up a little bit faster. So those look great. That's what you want. Some of that little char, a little of that burn. What that's going to do is make it really, really sweet. So what I do is I take a paring knife, take one of these. When it goes in like it's going in a tub of butter like that, you know they're done. All right, it's that simple. So let's get these inside and see what they look like. Okay, so we got these Brussels sprouts in here. They've been resting 2 or 3 minutes. So you want to get them while they're still warm. These look really, really good. So this is what you're looking for, this kind of char. They're almost falling apart. So let me try one of them, see how they taste. That's really good. If you don't like Brussels sprouts, this is the way to do it. A little seasoning, a little hot pan, throw them in there, let them get caramelized out on the grill. It's wonderful. Thanks for watching, guys.